My name is Katie, it's nice to meet you, and this is my YouTube channel. So let's just get straight into it. I am the owner of my own home makeup studio based near Ipswich. So this channel will be based around beauty, makeup, as well as some other lifestyle type videos that I hope that you will enjoy. It's kind of going to be a mix of just everything, but mainly makeup. So I'll be showing clients and maybe some vlogs as well. I'll also be including makeup tutorials, which will be demonstrated on myself, as well as maybe some friends and also maybe some clients if they're happy to. All the information to make a booking at my home studio will be listed in the description box, as well as my social media links, which at the moment is Instagram, Facebook, and soon to be a website. So definitely look forward to that. I'm also planning to do a lot of other videos, so some of these might include what can I do? A makeup room tour. That's probably something that I'm assuming you guys would like to see. I hope you guys would like to see. What else? Oh, a makeup collection and storage video. That I really want to do. Makeup tutorials, you know, just, yeah, you guys leave your comments, tell me what you guys want to see. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, the button's right down below. You know the drill. If you've watched YouTube before, you know how it works. And I have hair in my mouth. Lovely. And definitely make sure to stay tuned for some more videos that will be coming out, because I'm really excited to do them. Thank you so much for watching my little introduction welcome to my channel video. I hope you liked it. Again, make sure to subscribe because I'd really appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'm not gonna say I'll see you in my next video because technically I can't see you, all I see is the camera. So stay tuned for the next video and get excited. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.